Chocoholics, French fry fanatics, lolly lovers, cake connoisseurs, we all know what it's like to get a hankering for something sweet or salty.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have the power to say no, but every now and then the desire for junk can be overwhelming.
Willpower's got to kick in. But is it actually an addiction, or are we just giving in to temptation? Clinical nutritionist Sarah Di Lorenzo is here to answer that very question and to tell us how to beat the cravings for bad food. Sarah, good morning.
Good morning, Basil.
Can people actually become addicted to food? Is that a fact?
Yes, absolutely. So food addiction is a very real thing. A study was done in America and they put together about 513 participants looking at why we become addicted to certain types of foods. And it's a combination of ingredients of fat, sugar and salt, and what they do to the midbrain. The little part in the midbrain called the amygdala, and that actually gets triggered by that. So that's where we sense kind of emotions as well, but foods can trigger that. But we also know dopamine is released by sugar, and the more sugar and dopamine, it kind of works in a cycle.
Okay.
So there's a physical addiction to foods.
Is it very common?
92% of people in that study had food-like addictive behaviours. 7 to 10% of those people actually were full-blown food addicts. Generally, 20% of the population would have food addiction.
That's a lot.
Yeah,
So
it is a lot.
We're going to ask you the most addictive foods. We can see them on the screen and we can see them here in front of us. And I mean, who hasn't at some point just wanted to hoe into one or all of those?
I do love to think about Sarah buying these things, though, like pizza, chocolate.
Okay, so what they did in the study was when they looked at the combination, what I've done is I've put them in order from the most addictive, and pizza is the most addictive because it's the only one on the table there that's actually got sugar, salt and fat.
So it's got it all in
It's got it all, so that's the most
why
addictive.
it's so good.
Chocolate is the second most addictive. It's of course got fats and sugars, but it's got a compound in it called anandamide, which actually makes us feel happy.
Right.
Of course, chips.
Everyone loves chips.
I think a lot of people are having those tonight at the footy. But anyway, so the chips have that combination, of course, of salt and fat. And then chocolate chips and cookies, chocolate chip cookies and cookies were the fourth. And of course, the chocolate chips and the cookies are more addictive than the other ones because of that compound.
Love
and then
cream.
ice cream.
Love it.
Okay, I know when I have one apple, I just